Today on How to Sublimate, I'm going to show you how to brand the back of the ChromaLuxe photo panels. Prepare your design by rotating the logo 180 degrees to the image. And then print out your design using your sublimation printer. And then remove the protective plastic from the ChromaLuxe panel. Being careful to make sure there's no dust or particles on the surface. The protective plastic can help to remove any dust. And then place it face down on a clean printed transfer. Being careful to align it perfectly, making sure the bottom edge is very close to the edge of the print. Because the logo is going to fold over and it will be printed onto the back of the ChromaLuxe. So fold it over nice and tight. And then secure it in position using heat-resistant tape. And then place another piece of heat-resistant tape on the other side of the ChromaLuxe panel. And then place a sheet of Teflon or a piece of protective paper onto the base of the heat press. And then place the ChromaLuxe panel into the heat press with the printed transfer on top. And then press with the recommended time, temperature and pressure. Once the timer has elapsed, open the heat press and using heat-resistant gloves, remove the transfer paper in an upward motion. And once your product is cooled, it is then complete, with your own personalised branding on the back. Thanks for watching, and remember, full details on how to create these products, including time, temperature and pressure settings, can be found on the GJS knowledge base at help.gjs.co.